G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the weekly Mixup. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So today we're making a spiced mojito. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing you need to do is grab your shaker. We're going to pour in 25 mils of sugar syrup. Grab your limes, we're going to do half a lime. Alright, the rum we're using today, which is a spiced rum, white rum from Cabarita, and it's actually using all locally sourced ingredients from the area. So absolutely delicious. If you haven't tried it already, give it a crack. We're going to do 50 mils of white spiced rum. Alrighty, grab your muddler and give it a quick muddle. About 7 to 10 mint leaves. Fresh mint leaves. Give those a quick little clap. Drop them in. Load up with some ice. And give it a shake. So we're just using out one of our unbreakable highballs. Alright, smells so good. Pour that in. Alright, just going to give it a little bit more ice. Going to top up with soda water. And to garnish, we're going to grab a lime wheel and a mint sprig. Beautiful. And there you have the spiced mojito. Enjoy.